So welcome back. I'm going to get started on rebuilding the solenoid motor, but I'm going to set it up using the old coils, but the new batteries, the new 3/4 inch barrel N52s. Unfortunately, I had to scrap the old ring and print out a new one because the old ring I had glued it together because I had issues with it when I first built it. Um, but yeah, so right now I'm getting the ring ready. And so before I even put the magnets in, I need to do a test fit of everything to make sure it's going to work. So here I'm putting tape on the ends here so it'll be a snugger fit. Um, I remember when I first built the solenoid motor, I had a lot of issues with the ring, and I had to really tweak how I printed it, and I don't remember all the settings. So this is basically from the stock STL, if you will. But yeah, I printed out, where are they? I printed out the spacer material. So instead of using the wood, I actually have plastic. So, but I'm going to tackle that after. First, I need to put the ring together, put it inside the housing, and make sure that it's going to still work. So stay tuned. Well, I just realized something. When I printed these green rings out, I don't know if you can see, for some reason, a wall got printed right in the middle here. And actually, I think this whole part here is solid. I don't know what happened. And I don't have enough of the old rings, so I need to take these back to the drawing board and figure out why, number one, there's a wall in there. Number two, these new rings seem to be bigger than the old ones. Like I said, I had to tweak those out. Oh, I'm so pissed off. I don't know what the hell happened. Let me go back to the drawing board. Spaceman Austin, if you see this, and if you could find the last updated file of these rings, send it to me, all right? Because this was the latest one that I found in my collection. But let me go back and check. Ciao. All right, guys, welcome back. So as I said, I'm going to be working on the solenoid motor, and I printed out a new ring. This one came out really, really nice because of that new printing profile. And so I've got the N52 magnets that I'm going to put in here. I'm going to use 3D printed spacers instead of wood, and it's going to be nice. And I had said earlier that I was probably going to use the existing coils, and I may still do that, but I don't think so. If I'm going to go this far, I might as well wind some new coils. But I'm not going to be able to do it for a while because I'm going on vacation. So this will be the only video this week, a little short and sweet. But when I get back, it's full steam ahead. Thanks for watching. Ciao.